Hey guys, welcome back to the Tovia channel where everything is good here. A wig with me here, and it's actually a wig I received online. I didn't really like the flow of it honestly, but I didn't like it, but I saw potential in it, especially the crown. I can't do a crown on a wig, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to actually do a bang wig or like a fringe bang wig. But let's see how I do. What I noticed about this wig is that it's human hair, which it's very light and nice, and so I thought that the Solo Express Remy 100% human hair would be really good to match with it. And what I did was actually go to a local wholesale and pick this up. I actually asked the cashier to help me pick out a color, and she chose 1B based on the color of the wig itself. It has some brown elements and black elements in it, and so I think it would be, well, yeah, it will blend very nicely. Let me show you under the wig itself. So where the crown area is, you can see the U part of the wig, and then along the edges you can see it has a band, and that's where the tracks of this wig is linked. So what I'm gonna do is actually add this wig cap to it, and I'm gonna sew it down and actually center the crown for me, because this is where the crown is really, and I'm gonna center it. So that would be my center. Sew down this area and just little spots along the edges, because this is actually a band to tighten the wig if I need it to. So this is going to be added on so that when I want to glue on my tracks, I can glue on my tracks in between these gaps and areas. I'm gonna lengthen the hair, so I picked up a 14-inch Solar Express. So I'm gonna pluck on back, or should I turn it this way? I'm gonna turn it on this way, and I'm going to look at what I'm starting with. Okay guys, so I'm doing a stitch along one side of the U part, so I'm going that way, right? Right here I actually have to turn like so and then come back around. So I decided to just put on the concealer so I can actually travel around the U part appropriately. So let's do this. So I can see that they doubled it. I don't think I want to cut it because I don't want to ruin it. I'm not a professional hairdresser, guys. I'm only attempting something. So let's see how it goes. So from looking at the width, it is doubled, but because it's not a professional, I really don't know how to split it. So I'm gonna try to unravel this side and see if I can hopefully split it. If not, I'm gonna video call somebody and see if I can get some help. This is here. So guys, as I said, I'm not no professional hairstylist, but your girl is a creative. But anything I put my mind to, I'ma try it. And this is one style I've been thinking about for so long because I want to wear it so badly. And when I got this wig, I just knew I wanted to at least attempt or try this style. And then I have to press down on this. Press down. I had to go to a hairdresser to do this because I can't braid my hair. I went ahead and got it braided inside cane rows so that the hair could lay flat against my head. And I'm going ahead with a black stocking cap. So just to lay my hair flat and neat. And this is the completed hair. I went ahead and put a hairnet over it. Anyways, so that's mostly the front. I'm gonna put it on now. Yes, I feel like this is gonna turn out good. Why this feels so tight? But I definitely want to add some more hair on this side, and I'm feeling out the bang right now. I'm wondering if I should reduce it a little bit. I think my Windows peak is like right here. Right, so I parted off what the bang would be, and I kind of tucked this behind my ears for me to see like how the hair would be. As you can see, my natural hair is there. It's all fluffy and frou-frou. I'll fix that. I definitely want to add more tracks on this side of the hair. I'm putting everything behind me just so that I can work better with the crown. I probably need to add some mousse or got to be free spray to the hair because it's really soft. So I'm gonna go ahead with the mousse first and then the got to be spray after, just to keep the hair in place. This is my favorite mousse to use with wigs or weave hair. So I'm going in with a whole lot. Just doing a little bit right there. So the crown is a little bit high, like I probably should have pressed it with the flat iron a little bit. All right, so the hair is smooth and flat right there. I'm gonna spray a little of this. Based on the tutorials that I've seen online, I noticed that they go ahead and do a long cut first. I didn't do that. Whoa, I can't. Guys, me can't cut it. I don't believe me can cut it properly. Someone wants it, you know. Boy, had a big one this now. Why do the hairdressers always do this little technique thing? So I'm just curling the bun now to see what happens. So I'm going ahead and let's see how the hair blends with the rest. Wow. I'm saying, girl, I use some tell girl then have yours. Ooh, you see what I'm talking about? So I can blend it with the rest of the hair. Purr. 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 Oh my god, I'm feeling myself with this one. Guys, so that's it for this tutorial. I really was considering posting this video because I know it's not my best work. It's actually my first time doing like a quick weave like this, and I was really unsure how it would turn out, but it is literally the night before my birthday and I'm literally trying to get dolled up, trying to get glammed up all on my own. Self-care, taking care of myself, pampering myself, and I was really considering doing this whole wig as a joke at first, but to be honest truth, it's giving me like a good feeling. I think this hairstyle looks really good on me. But as I said, I want a little bit more tracks in it. I think it needs a little bit more body. What do you guys think? Actually, tell me what you guys think about it, because it's my first time trying a quick weave like this, even though I didn't do it from scratch. Guys, tell me what you think. My angle the wig. Look at it, guys. My angle it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something from it. And if you are new to the family, make sure to show your support by subscribing to my channel, giving this video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment down below so I know you stopped by. Alright guys, so have a blessed one. Bye.